guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart in Hand Creations and Events. Guys, how are you doing today? I hope that all is well and everybody's doing good. I have a video for you guys, another tutorial, jewelry tutorial, and as I told you, this is for November the 30th jewelry pop-up party on Zoom, and these are the items that we'll be using today. These right here are I was gonna say stretch wire. These are memory wire for bracelets, and I believe this is one. Actually, this doesn't look like it now, but it's 4 bracelets. It'll be 4 bracelets, 2 double layer and 2 single layer. This rope or this cord here, which is the suede leather cord, will go for, let me turn it around, I have it upside down. This right here, these pieces right here are for it to be all together, and it will be a necklace similar to this one, just that the style will be a little different. The beads, the accents and the beads are a little different. So this was the first one I made. Oh, and I'm using the barrel accent bead, gold. And there's a hook for it to attach it to this shell. I have this is, I believe, 5 inches of 18 gauge wire. I have some red beads. They're just as small as the red beads on here. I also have on this side, these are going to be for the beads. I mean, for the bracelets. This set of beads is for the bracelets. So bracelets will match with the necklace set. It is 10:25 p.m. and I just really wanted to get this video started, you know? So on that note, I think we should just get busy. Oh yeah, and these are the earrings that go to this bracelet. I mean, this necklace. I mean, earrings that go to this necklace. So these guys will be for sale November the 30th. So I have earrings that will go with this necklace. And these will be the bracelet. Oh, and I also forgot to, when I made the this set right here in the last video, I mentioned that I made a 3-strap leather, a 3-strap wide leather or a suede bracelet. It's not anything fancy, it's just, you know, but it goes well with this stuff right here. And turn the gems around. There we go. And they all go together. You can put it like this. Only thing is, this has a clasp. Alright, so the first thing I want to do, if I'm trying to remember how I made the first one. So I would have to make a loop. So what I need is these here. Oops. So I just find the middle. And I just bring this up and across. Like that. Bring it around some more. Now I pull this out and twist it around the other way so I can bring it up like that. Because these need to go, these right here need to go into these 2 holes right here. One here, right there, and right there. And I need them to fit right in. And this way, we made the loop but this is what it is. This goes through here. And I push it in like such. Then I fan these sides out like that and create that space that's between here, because this will go in. So this is, I just kind of eyeball it and I bring it up like that, like a prong. And then I just hope that this will go in nice and easy. Ooh, and there we are. So now I take this piece here and I make sure this is in good. These are more like pliers, needle nose pliers, and just pull it through pretty good on both sides. Pull it down and over, because now I'm going to twist these two to secure this in place. Yep. Because I also need to have a space right here to put this hook through. This hook right here has to go through here. So I'm going to twist this up and I'll be right back to show it to you. Okay, so what I do is once I have this in and twist it in, then I mash the wire down like this, so it can be more flush to the shell, you know? Alright, then at this point, like I said, I twist this. I don't want it to break. I don't want to twist it until it breaks, because I just want to be able to cut it. Cut that, snip that off. Oops. Whoa. There. There we have it. So now, I just take this small hook, and I just wiggle it up, wiggle in here some kind of way, so that this will be hanging. Actually, it'll be going like this. Wait a minute. Open this up. Put this on. And I'm going to close it. Pinch it together really well. Like that. Now this side, I'm going to open it up some more. And I'm just going to twist it downward just to make sure I can get up in there. Open it up a little bit more to make it more like a hook, so I can hook it through this bar. And I'm going to have to loosen it up a little bit. And that's how it is. That's the back of it. And this is the front. Now the cord that I'm using, again, like I said, it's this leather suede cord. I also need a jump ring. This is a jump ring. This is a double jump ring. I'm going to cut it in half. And these are jump ring pliers. See that little hook? Right here. This is where you put this in between the two loops. Actually, this is what you use to spread it open, to link another piece together. And in this case, it's not necessary to double the jump ring. Just need to cut it. This is it here. And I just put it through. Because this wire is so strong, though, I have to squeeze it together. Okay. And there. There it is. Let me use these to keep them in place. And I have a little carousel of fixtures and findlings. And what I'll be using will be these. Oops. I just squeeze it up good. Ugh. These bad boys are not going anywhere. Now what I have to do is put a clasp. Right, I have the lobster claw clasp. And I just need a jump ring, a single jump ring, 2 of them. Right here. There we go. Yep, with the right outfit on, this will work. Two earring and necklace sets. And over here we have bracelet and necklace and anklet set. So far, that's it. And now we'll do the bracelets. I've already made the small loop on the end. This is actually where I'll be hanging the charm at once it's complete. 8 and 3 all the way around. 3 big ones, 8 small ones. Okay guys, this bracelet turned out pretty good with that pattern. And here you see I made 2 of them, with the tassel charm and with the pine cone charm. I also made a gold and red with the leaf charm. And I made one more gold and red bracelet with the love charm. What do you think, guys? Alright guys, here are the finished sets. Here we have the gold and red with the leaf, the bronze color leaf or gold colored leaf, and we have the pine cone. This is a bronze pine cone, and you saw the necklace, and the matching earrings. So that's one set. And here is the second set. The tassel earrings. And the love bracelet, tassel bracelet. This is also gold and red. This is all red. And you have the again, we have the tassels. So that's what I have, guys, for you today. And I hope that you like the content in my video. I know I didn't show much on how I make the bracelets, but I believe that I had showed that before. I'm not sure. Plus, it has gotten late here for me, and I'm ready to go to bed. And I thought I was messing up the product, but it seemed to turn out pretty well. So yep, guys, so if you like the content that I put out in my video today, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and tap that notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will know. And I know I'm late with it, but I want to say hello to my new subscribers. And I thank you guys for hitting that subscribe button. And don't forget to give me a like, the thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next video, which will probably be, I don't know if it's going to be another jewelry tutorial. I need to step off from that for a second. And I don't know, I want to bring you guys something else. But if not, you know, if I can't think of anything else to put out for content, most likely it'll be another jewelry tutorial with some more of those pieces from that haul. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.